NCERT solutions at your fingertips. Today we are going to do question answers of chapter 15 Light, class 7th Science. The main topics of this chapter are light travel along a straight line, white light is composed of 7 colors, reflection of light, real and virtual images, characteristics and the images formed by plane mirror, concave and convex mirror, concave and convex lenses. Most of these topics are covered in the question answer section, so let's begin with the question answers. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. A. An image that cannot be obtained on a screen is called virtual image. B. Image formed by a convex dash, always virtual and smaller in size. Mirror. C. An image formed by a dash mirror is always of the same size as that of the object. Answer is plane. D. An image which can be obtained on a screen is called a real image. E. An image formed by a concave dash cannot be obtained on the screen. The answer is lens. Question number 2. Mark T if the statement is true and F if it is false. A. We can obtain an enlarged and erect image by a convex mirror. False. B. A concave lens always form a virtual image. True. C. We can obtain a real, enlarged and inverted image by a concave mirror. The statement is true. D. A real image cannot be obtained on a screen. False. E. A concave mirror always form a real image. False. Question number 3. Match the items given in column 1 with one or more items of column 2. Column 1, column 2. A. A plane mirror. Right match is number 5. The image is erect and of the same size as the object. B. A convex mirror. Right match is number 2. Can form image of objects spread over a large area. And number 6. The image is erect and smaller in size than the object. C. A convex lens. Matches with number 1. Used as a magnifying glass. D. A concave mirror matches with 3. Used by dentist to see the enlarged image of teeth. E. A concave lens matches with number 6. The image is erect and smaller in size than the object. Question number 4. State the characteristics of the image formed by a plane mirror. Answer. The characteristics of the image formed by a plane mirror are: number 1. The image formed by a plane mirror is erect. Number 2. The image is virtual. Number 3. The image is of the same size as that of the object. Number 4. The image is laterally inverted. Number 5. The image is at the same distance behind the mirror as the object is in front of it. Question number 5. Find out the letters of English alphabet or any other language known to you in which the image formed in a plane mirror appears exactly like the letters itself. Discuss your findings. Answer. If the letters of English alphabet A, H, I, M, O, T, U, V, W, X, Y are kept in front of a plane mirror, then they would form images which exactly look like the letters itself because these letters are vertically symmetrical. Question number 6. What is a virtual image? Give one situation where a virtual image is formed. Answer. The image formed when a ray of light after reflection or refraction appear to meet at a certain point but do not meet on a screen is called virtual image. A virtual image is always erect and cannot be taken on screen. For example, the images formed by plane mirror, convex mirror and concave lenses are virtual. Question number 7. State two differences between a convex and a concave lens. Answer. Convex lens. It is thicker in the middle and thinner at the edges. Concave lens. It is thinner in the middle and thicker at the edges. Number 2. Convex lenses converge the rays of light passing through it. Concave lens diverges the rays of light passing through it. Question number 8. Give one use each of a concave and a convex mirror. Answer. Use of concave mirror. Concave mirror is used by dentist to see enlarged image of teeth. Use of convex mirror. Convex mirror is used as side view mirror in vehicles. Question number 9. Which type of mirror can form a real image? Answer. Concave mirror can form a real image. Question number 10. Which type of lens form always a virtual image? Answer. Concave lens always form a virtual image. Question number 11. A virtual image larger than the object can be produced by a number 1 concave lens, number 2 concave mirror, number 3 convex mirror, number 4 plane mirror. The correct answer is number 2 concave mirror. Question number 12. David is observing his image in a plane mirror. The distance between the mirror and his image is 4 meter. If he moves 1 meter towards the mirror, then the distance between David and his image will be number 1 3 meter, number 2 5 meter, number 3 6 meter, number 4 8 meter. The correct answer is number 3 6 meter. The explanation of this question is shown on the screen. Question number 13. The rear view mirror of a car is a plane mirror. A driver is reversing his car at a speed of 2 meters per second. The driver sees in his rear view mirror the image of a truck parked behind his car. The speed at which the image of a truck appears to approach the driver will be number 1 1 meter per second, number 2 2 meter per second, number 3 4 meter per second, number 4 8 meter per second, and the correct answer is number 3 4 meter per second. The explanation of this question is shown on the screen. These were the question answers of this chapter. Thanks for watching this video till end.